Dragon Ball Super FB10 Cross Force. My single box, random number 9. We got all of our Saiyans. Getting in there, and on the die it says we gotta roll 11 times. Good luck, everybody. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there is 11 times. There's 11. Send you guys to the table so I can get this thing printed. Chris said SCR 2-star or bust. We have not yet seen a 2-star, man. We have not yet seen a 2-star. Also, how you doing, Chris? Alright, good luck, folks. I'd like to see that dang 2-star. No, wait, let me pull up my list. I have a list. I don't check it twice, but I do have a list. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna headbutt the monitor right now. Come on. Holy crap, what's happening? Gonna work now. There we go. There we go. He said 2-star very possible. I want to see it, Bray. I want to see it. Zoom out just a hair on this one. Good luck, everybody. Now we got Piccolo on the number 7, and Final Kamehameha on number 5. So there's 3 of them. We haven't seen a single one yet. I got number 2, and number 1 on the slug. There's Son Goku BR in number 2, and there's Piccolo in the SR. First SR of the break going out to the number 0, that is for Cress. We got a leader card. That is Son Gohan Adolescence Piccolo and number 9. We'll show the back. Krillin. How do I normally do this? Why am I... There we go. This is what I normally do. Number 7 on the Piccolo. And Vegeta on the 0. Doug still paying strong on the Piccolo? Possibly. Possibly. If we hit one, I'll let him know. Or I'll ask him. Android 17. There we got Krillin on the number 6. And Bojack on the number 2 for our SR hit right there. Oh wait, you're saying it because Doug was saying that he doesn't like Piccolo. Never mind. Joke went right over my head. North Kai. There we got my future on the number 3. And Super Genki Dama on the number 4. Super Genki Dama. SR going out to Ruiz. Now we got Turtles on number 2. And Cell on the number 8 for the SR. Yeah, I forgot that whole thing with Doug when we were opening. What was that set? Which set was that we were opening? I got Bojack on the number 1, number 4 on the Everyone on Earth. I saw the alt art of Everyone on Earth goes for a decent amount. Whoa, what's back there? We got number 8 on the rare. SCR. Gosh, man. Why do these always look so freaking good? Vegito. Trying to show off all that raised foil. All that textured raised foil, man. Beautiful. Number 1. Dominator Booze. With the Vegito. Beautiful card, man. It's ridiculous, the foiling. All that detailed blind work on the raised foiling. Shocks me every time, bro. So there's the 1 star, now I gotta get the 2 star. I wanna see the friggin' 2 stars that we're talking about, bro. I got Bojack on the number 3 for the leader. We'll show the back. Son Gohan, number 5 on the rare. And there's Son Goku on the SR, number 2. Or even the SRs have textured foil. Huge card. Such a cool friggin' card, man. Such a cool hit. I mean, market on that one's just above 130, bruh. Goatsu! Goatsu! Son Goku on the number 5. And Loyal Shield on the number 5. I still don't think she... Is that intentional, or is she being, like, grabbed by her hair to be a... What do they call it? Why can't I remember what it's called when you, like, use a body as a... Body shield? Yeah, there we go. I'm not all here. Is she doing that by choice, or is she being forced to be a body shield there? Then we got number 9 on the rare. Number 1 on the Android 17. I thought that was 18. Meat shield. That's what I was... That's the term I was thinking of. Meat shield. There's He-Man. And we got Son Goku on the leader, number 1. Going out to Dominator Boost. Son Gohan, number 5 on the rare, and Mai on the number 3. Dorodabo. Now we got Slug on the number 1. Android 17 on number 1. Come on, let's see some more alts. Let's see some more of them beautiful cards. Low Shield on number 5. Everyone on Earth stays on Earth on the number 4. There's the Trunks I know. Some more gas back there. We got number 7 on the rare. SR Parallel of Android 17 and 18. Gosh, the gold! And you can see there's raised foiling on the details around them too. See all that? See all that detail? Oh, that's crazy looking, dude. That is crazy. 102, number 2. Ruiz! Hitting the sick alt art there. Crazy the level of detail they're able to get in there with these cards, man. It's insane. Now we got Bojack on the number 3. On the later Boat Danny. I'll show the back of the leader. Gohan on the future, number 8, and number 1 on the Hercule SR. like when the packs open easy, man. Japanese packs used to really give me a tough time, and then I figured it out. Number 6, SR. Number 2 is Slug. Number 2. Guasu. Cell on number 2. Thanks, Dragon Ball, on the number 3. Number 1 on the rare, and number 4 on the rare. Kotaro on the number 7. And a rare of Vegeta on the number 0. Vegeta! We got Shenron on the number 9. And SR of Son Goku. Going out to the number 1. Dominator Boost. Blue pack, the one I always root for. My favorite one to root for, second from the last. There we got our leader of Vegito, number 5 on the leader. Thanks, Dragon Ball, on number 3. And there's my future on number 3 for the rare. We should have one more, no? I know it's all averages, but shoot. We need some last pack magic. We need that LPM. Come on. Come on. We got number 8 on the rare. Oh, man. And number 5 on the rare in the back. I wanted to see a third one, man. Say the numbers as we see them on the recap. We've got 5, 3, 1, 3, 9. SRs 1, 2, 1, 2, 8, 4, 2, and 0. Got a wonderful Android 17 and 18 on the alt, and we will be beating the sorts on this Vegito SCR on the number 1. Beautiful freaking card, man. That was Dragon Ball Super FB10 by the single box random number 9. Thank you all very much. I'm being told that 10 is good to go, so I'm going to put the 11 and 12 in the store. That's the rest of what we have.